Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating topics from the world of pop culture. Today, we're diving into the captivating genre of the zombie apocalypse. From its origins to its impact on popular culture, we'll be taking a closer look at this intriguing phenomenon. So, grab your survival gear and get ready for an exciting journey. The zombie apocalypse genre emerged from the iconic 1968 film Night of the Living Dead, directed by George A. Romero. Inspired by Richard Matheson's novel I Am Legend, Romero introduced the concept of flesh-eating zombies, sparking a wave of zombie-themed works across different mediums. But where did the myth of zombies originate? It all began in Haiti during the 17th and 18th centuries, where African slaves believed that suicide would trap them in their undead bodies. Over time, this belief evolved in the voodoo religion, leading to the Haitian belief in reanimated corpses controlled by shamans. In 1927, William Seabrook's book, The Magic Island, marked the first instance of zombie fiction, exploring the concept of reanimated corpses. This intriguing work was later adapted into the 1932 film White Zombie, starring Bela Lugosi and directed by Victor Halperin. It laid the foundation for the subgenre of zombie films and set the stage for the zombie apocalypse to come. Richard Matheson's novel I Am Legend, 1954, further influenced the genre, featuring a lone survivor battling a population transformed into vampires. It inspired adaptations like The Last Man on Earth, 1964, and The Omega Man, 1971. Romero, inspired by Matheson's work, took the apocalyptic theme and replaced vampires with shuffling ghouls in his groundbreaking film Night of the Living Dead. The zombie apocalypse has become more than just entertainment. It serves as a metaphor for contemporary fears. Themes of global contagion, societal breakdown, and the end of the world resonate with audiences. The genre's popularity has led to fan activities like zombie walks and has firmly established itself in popular culture. And there you have it. The zombie apocalypse genre, born from the minds of creative visionaries, has captivated audiences for decades. Whether you enjoy the thrill and suspense of the undead or find deeper metaphors within, there's no denying the lasting impact of the zombie apocalypse on popular culture. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to stay prepared in case the undead rise. Stay tuned for more videos.